Hello everyone. In this video we are going to create a waterfall chart in Tableau. So waterfall chart is used to show how initial value is increased or decreased by a series of intermediate values leading to final value. So let's create a waterfall chart to show profit or loss occurred in each subcategory. So this is a waterfall chart which shows profit or loss occurred in each subcategory in all years. So this color legend represents the scale of profit from least to highest values. So this dark orange color represents the least profit, and this dark blue color represents the highest profit. So from all these subcategories, the highest profit is from subcategory copiers, and least profit, which is in negative, which is from subcategory tables. So let me remove all this and let me do from scratch. And I will also delete this calculated field which I have created earlier. So to create this waterfall chart, I need one dimension and one measure. So I will drag this dimension subcategory into column shelf, and this measure profit into row shelf, and I will sort this subcategory in alphabetical order. So click on this sort and sort by alphabetic. Okay. So right click on this measure sum of profit, and click on this quick table calculation, and choose this running total. So from this marks card, choose Gantt bar and drag this measure profit into size. Then you can edit this measure by adding minus sign before this sum of profit, or else you can create a calculated field to get negative profit. So click on calculated field, and I will name it as negative profit. So in the formula field, minus sign and profit. Then click on OK. Then drag this calculated field to get negative profits in the view. Give different color shades to the bars by dragging profit into colors in a marks card. So this is a Gantt chart which is showing profit or loss in each subcategory in all the years. So this is a color legend in the scale of this is a scale of profit from least to highest. And if you want to see the profit or loss by years, you can drag this order date into filter shelf. Click on years and click on next, and I will select all years. Okay, and click on this drop down and select this show filter. Then you can able to select the year from this filter. So if I select 2021, the loss is from the subcategory tables and subcategory supplies. So if I select both 2020 and 2021, from these 2 years, the loss is from subcategory tables and supplies and these bookcases. So this is how to create a waterfall chart in Tableau. Thanks for watching. Please to subscribe and like this video.